Barcelos is a great new eating out option in Sector 29 Gurgaon. As you see, the restaurant is split on two levels. The ground floor is bright with natural lighting, and as you move to the basement, you see this wonderful staircase that catches your attention with lovely blue mosaic tiles. And soon you're in a different zone. The basement gives you the feeling of entering a mysterious den, and soon you'll notice that the lighting is rather diffused, and you see the lovely Barcelos logo. There is this huge bar, which is a sangria bar, offering a lot of cocktails and wines, apart from sangria, of course. And color is added through eclectic diffused lighting with interesting furniture and upholstery, and a lot of exposed brickwork everywhere, which I personally love. This is the yellow car, the famous yellow car which everyone buys to sit on. And another beautiful wall that I simply loved. It's a very vibrant wall, and these are the couches on one end where you can lounge and order your drinks. And these colorful pipes to add a lot of drama, but my favorite is definitely the yellow car area. So as you see on the ground floor, there's a lot more natural lighting in the daytime. There's this lovely corner where you can sit by the window with a friend and chat, and this is the Barcelos legend written behind on the wall. But as you go down, it's a totally different mood. There are these lovely nooks where you can sit, and this is the smoking area right behind, like a chamber of smoke that people can get in. So overall, a lovely vibrant feel to the place. So with a humble beginning in 1993 with a single outlet in Pretoria, South Africa, today Barcelos has a global footprint of 120 outlets in 17 countries, and they are hoping to expand. Their mocktails are rather good. Coming to the menu, of course, their peri-peri chicken, the flame grilled chicken, is famous. It's a spice from Mozambique in Africa, and Indian market has taken to it very well. They're also known for this black burger, which was launched in a big way. The milkshakes are also something to write home about. They recently launched this wrap menu with veg and non-veg options. And my personal favorite is the trinchado chicken, a piquant flavored chicken with rice. The desserts are also particularly good. I love the tiramisu and the strawberry cheesecake. So overall, a wonderful place. This Barcelos outlet is the largest in Asia, so you have a lot of variety of seating, and you'll always get space. A wonderful place to visit on weekend with family and friends. Barcelos, as you know, the name comes from a town in Portugal, and they have created a unique theme. Overall, Barcelos aims to include the authentic Portuguese offering with the dark and mysterious flavors of the African continent, customized and tuned to be in sync with the food-loving Indians.